Hi friends, this is a story about sharing. Do you think this bear is going to share his blueberries? Let's find out. Share, Big Bear, share. Big Bear smiled and rubbed his tummy. The berries he's picked were very yummy. He lounged by a tree and laughed with glee. These berries, he said, are just for me. Birds and squirrels and two little mice thought the berries looked very nice. But Bear just sighed with a dreamy grin, hugged his pail, and dug right in. Branches shook on the old oak tree, and a deep, low voice, "Listen to me. Share, Big Bear, share." Somehow Bear misunderstood. He didn't pay attention. Look like a good bear should. He thought Tree said in a big green woods, "Hair, Big Bear, hair." "My hair?" said Bear. "Are you sure?" "All right, I guess. I'll comb my fur." He's using a fish to comb his fur. He slicked his fur back nice and neat, then picked a berry and started to eat. His friend Little Rabbit and Curious Dare smelled the berries and tiptoed near. The branches shook on the old oak tree. A deep, low voice said, "Listen to me. Share, Bear, share." Somehow Bear misunderstood. He didn't pay attention like a good bear should. He thought Tree said in a deep green woods, "Lair, Bear, lair." "Lair means home," said Bear. "It's true, so I'll go home like you told me to." He lumbered nearby his cozy den, peeked in the window at home, and then scampered back to the old oak tree and gobbled berries merrily. Lumber is kind of laying down and resting. Branches shook on the old oak tree, and a deep, low voice said, "Listen to me. Share, Bear, share." Somehow Bear misunderstood. He didn't pay attention like a good bear should. He thought Tree had said in a deep green woods, "Chair, Bear, chair." He found a stump and rolled it over, swerving around the bee-filled clover. Plopped his rump down on the tree stump and popped a berry so juicy and plump. Branches shook on the old oak tree. A deep, low voice said, "Listen to me. Share, Bear, share." There's a beehive with bees buzzing about. Somehow Bear misunderstood. He didn't pay attention like a good bear should. He thought Tree said in a deep green woods, "Scare, Bear, scare." Big Bear knew just what to do. He jumped in the air and yelled out, "Boo!" Then Bear sat down and said, "Yum, yum. Yum, yum, eating berries is lots of fun." The old oak tree yelled, "Be nice and share. Don't you know it's only fair? You like it when friends share with you. It's the thoughtful thing to do. Share, Bear, share." "Well," said Bear, "you could have told me before." He turned to his friends on the forest floor. "Forgive me, please," he said nicely. I'm all mixed up inside my head. How could I have forgot to share? Come on, everyone. There are berries to spare." His friend said, "Thank you. These are sweet. We're glad you shared your summer treat." See, so now he's sharing. "I'd like to share," Big Bear sighed, "to make me happy deep inside." They gobbled berries and giggled glee beneath the shade of the old oak tree. Now the old oak tree looks really happy. And they all sat together, reading a story and eating some berries. Isn't it great to share? Bye, friends.